tells Tika that Chuma and Vacu are stealing platinum from Eswatini. Tika confronts Vacu, but he threatens him. Nico receives drugs to perform better at boxing. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. Rebecca went to Eswatini to tell them that Chuma is smuggling stealing platinum from Eswatini. And Tika could not believe it because now Zandile wants to make Chuma Ibambela like his right-hand man. And Rebecca is shocked to find out ukuthi Zandile trust Chuma to that extent ukuthi azamende libambela lakhe. Tika is disappointed ukuthi hey lo muntu lo yendre libambela le landlunkulu is actually the one that is stealing platinum la Eswatini. He was shocked to learn that and decided that he's going to go and confront Uvacu. Ukuthi Uvacu nguye lo tshontsha naye platinum. And then athi yet ngiyabona that's why they're all so close no Vacu. And then he goes to confront Uvacu about this whole thing. Vacu denied everything and threatened Utika, telling him ukuthi angamjwayeli kabi, and if he continues with this thing, he's going to see ukuthi umuntu onjani yena. So now Uvacu threatened Utika not to say anything. You don't want to make an enemy out of me. So now Uvacu, it's up to Utika ukuthi utomtshela yini usisi wakhe uZandile ukuthi kendakalani. Now Uvacu is planning to sabotage Zandile on the coronation day, but like amfakele something esihlalweni sakhe sobukhosi so that it kills her. Now she's using this lady lo sebenza lapha emkhandlini ukuthi nguye lo tofaka lo muthi. Now Uvacu is getting everyone onto his side, the elders, getting them to speak like tarnish Zandile's name emphakathini. Now people are saying that they don't want Zandile to be a chief, they don't want to be led by a woman. And then Ulandani comes to join boxing, to join Jafta on the back to train na Velapi. But Velapi is not keen on training London because London betrayed Velapi. Remember the time that Dean came on to Velapi wanting to sleep with him, and London did not back up Velapi because he's also going through the same thing. Velapi was suspended, his fees were added, and then they started fighting. As after you know what? I think you must use this thing, ringini, train together, and then they decided it's better train abonge. They must just train. But it didn't work out. What did say humble London? And then Nico, we find out that the reason Nico wins so many games is because his coach gives him mapilis. I don't know what drugs these are to make him a beast, because apparently Nico will fight for longer periods without even getting tired, without even looking tired at all. And it's not normal for a boxer, to be fighting so hard and not looking tired. Now he's preparing for the match because he's going to fight Velapi. So they're using drugs to actually win these matches. And Usi Amtanda is busy trying to plan a celebration a party and getting everyone involved and getting everyone donating things. Nando was saying she's going to donate food. Mam Sonto came with a banner. And like everyone is just participating. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.